Hey, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Stealing from the Greats, where I break down the best subscription signups out there so we can learn what to do and what not to do when building our own subscription signup process. Now, today I'm looking at VDog, apparently the kindest, healthiest dog food on the planet. Now, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to actually try to just roll with the product discovery as I would naturally, and keep this kind of website experience around 2 to 3 minutes, because that's how little time most people spend on a site trying to figure out what is it right for them and is it good. VDog, kindest, healthiest dog food on the planet. Strong positioning statement. A lot of people will see this. One thing I would tweak about it is connect it to the customer's life right away. Make them visualize it in their own home. So, for example, the kindest, healthiest dog food for your puppy. One thing that would make this a little more connected with the customers emotionally a little better, and help them visualize it in their own life. These things, I think they're a little all over the place because they're not really categorized, and it is quite disorganized right away, because it's like my subscriptions new to dog food, vegan. So this is a brand statement. This is a FAQ question, and this is a functionality piece. So these are throwing me off right away. What we make, that's helpful because it helps me as a new visitor to understand, okay, well, there's VDog kind kibble, kind mini bites, broth bone, okay, or breath bones, sorry, biscuits, okay, they're I'm kind of getting where it's at, and that's it. That's the end of the homepage, and they kind of end on the blog, and you go, okay, well, they make content. Everybody makes content. I wish it was a little more brand focused. Told me a little more of the brand benefits instead of having to click in here, because I'm not overwhelmed, I'll be honest, with information. But they are, I would imagine, trying to identify with new visitors, people who are skeptical to getting vegan dog food, all plant-based dog food, and trying to also, appease their members too. So let's click shop. The only thing that gives away the subscription piece right now is this subscription banner here, subscribe and save. Now, the trick with subscription brands, now these things, like I look at the images, and images are not really telling me the big difference between these packages. And these things don't really help me differentiate between the products either. So I wish it was like either on hover or a rotating image, kind of second image on hover with product descriptions. That would have been really nice to give you more details on each product, because I would imagine they probably see a lot of people click through a bunch of them and before they decide on what to get. Then let's go to this guy, and so far I understand that they are vegan dog food, but I'm not really getting a whole lot of benefits, not really understanding the benefits to my dog of the dog food. And the thing is, even if I know the benefits of the vegan dog food already, I still would like them listed. I still want to get reminded of them subconsciously, to just to get them across. Now, I see a lot of facts on here. I see 100% plant-based, balanced formula, free, but they're not explicit benefits. And this product description on the page is good, because one thing I do like about it is it's visual. There's a lot of text here, a lot of really long names. So I understand that it's an ingredients list. It's kind of something you have to just list out. But I wish there was more of a story to here. Complete balanced vegan food pack, superfood ingredients, peas, quinoas, food tested, plant approved, healthiest, kindest dog food on the market. I understand already that it's healthiest and kindest. Why should my dog eat lentils and oats and peas? I wish they broke it down to, hey, these are all the features of what we sell. Here's how they're going to benefit your dog, actually. Better hair, better breath, healthier nails, A, B, C, D, all these good, fat loss, whatever. So I wish they did a little more of that. Now, the trickiest bit here is that this is a subscription, and at no point have they actually described to me the benefits of their subscription program. Like, I can subscribe and save here, and it tells me, oh, you saved 20% on your first order and 5% on future orders, and no fees to cancel. Well, no fees to cancel. Does that mean that I need to sign up for a number of months, and can I cancel at any time? Or no fees to cancel means that if I sign up for 10, I can't cancel. That's probably what that is. So you might want to stick an FAQ page link on here, or do some kind of a hover explanation, because I will have a couple of objections that come up once I think about subscribe and save. And the thing is, I wish that I had the subscribe and save, not just because it's not 5%, you're saving a bunch. And I wish that, like, this is a really easy way to try it, right? So you save 20% right now and save 5% on future orders, something they should easily tweak. So this is overall, though, pretty good. They're using also Bold's product upsell, which I'll just quickly say no thanks to. And we got our orders free shipping. I didn't even know they had free shipping, but it would have helped on the product page to know, well, it's right here. So maybe somewhere around the price, or somewhere around the add to cart. Calculate dog's order size. Okay, so that's cool. I like that they are giving their support email here, and the food requirements, because I'm guessing they probably have questions around, well, how much dog food would I need? How much of this dog food should be? Well, yeah. Long story short, how big of the bag would I need? So I don't think this is a good place to put this guy. I would probably place it somewhere closer to the FAQ, and I would put pricing and shipping policy around here instead. But that's just me. So kind of group that information a little better, because this is product and pet based, and this is transactional based. But overall, strength, good images. I do wish there was a little more visual differentiation. I'm not going to read these guys. And I do like the visual examples of the ingredients. I do wish they did more to simply explain to me the benefits of each piece. And why each ingredient is beneficial to my dog. And if it's stated somewhere, I'm not seeing it. And I already spent 7 minutes on the site, which doesn't really even reflect an average user session. I would imagine that's it's a little long. So those are kind of the takeaways. Yes, overall, kindest, healthiest dog food on the planet. I believe them. They seem to know what they're doing. And I do wish they differentiate their product a little bit, state of the product benefits out a lot more on the page. And I would imagine that would help with conversions. And also, don't hide your subscription policy. If that is something you are, here we go. Okay. What makes complete nutrition? Okay, I'm trying to finding out some more additional product info here. Well, this is really confusing then. Vegan dog food, treats and chews. So is this actually the product page? So, okay. So they have a product page here. And also, so this is vegan dog food, treats and chews, subscribe and save, shop. But if I click on shop, which is probably what you would click on or as part of your buying journey, and these things directly straight to the home page or to the product page, I wish. So they have these images, they have these assets, perfect balance, amino acids, vitamin. Your dog needs to thrive. Okay, those are kind of generic. I wish there was more on dog. I wish there were more benefits. Picky Pup approved. Okay, California made, cruelty free. Just more in your life. Here are the changes you will see benefits. So, okay, well, I said I was going to do a little shorter one, but it didn't really end up there. But overall, yeah, no, they're doing cool things. There was a couple of things definitely that they could tweak, but um, I think overall they're doing pretty good. So, all right, I will wrap it up here, and we'll see you next week.